In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use CapCut Pro just for free. Before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, then subscribe for new amazing content like this. Let's start the video. Point to note that this method only works on desktop CapCut, not on Android. First, open the CapCut. Then go to the settings. Change the drafts export location where you can remember and access it easily. Then click save. Now from the home page, click create project. Import any random file you want. Now we'll add some Pro featured effects. After adding edits, when we try to export it, it says Get Pro. Select all the clips, click the right mouse button, and click on the compound clip. Then again, press the right mouse button and select the pre-process compound clip. Now, see the clip is processing. After the clip is processed, go back to the home page. Note the project name and close the CapCut. Open the CapCut Drafts folder and go to the project folder you were editing. Now go to the resources. Then go to the combination. Now open the CapCut and select your project and drag that first file into your project. After adding the file, delete the main clip. Now, after deleting the main clip, add the drafts clip to the project. Now when we try to export, it doesn't ask to get Pro and let us simply export our project even after using Pro features. Here, see, our project is being exported.
My name is Tom Shelby. My name is Tom Shelby.
So this was the whole process of how to use CapCut Pro features for free and avoiding Pro subscription and export. Hope you will like the video. If you found it useful, then hit the subscribe button for amazing Pro content like this.